Welcome back to Robovation Studio. I'm Jonathan, and today we're diving into the world of displays. In this video, I'll show you how to control an OLED display using an Arduino Uno. OLEDs are great for displaying text, graphics, and more. So, let's get started. Before we jump into the coding, let's go over what you'll need for this project. An Arduino Uno, an OLED display, jumper wires, a computer with the Arduino IDE installed. Those who haven't installed Arduino IDE, watch the video in description. Let's connect the OLED display to the Arduino. Here's the wiring setup. Connect VCC on the OLED to 5V on the Arduino. Connect GND on the OLED to GND on the Arduino. Connect SDA on the OLED to A4 on the Arduino. Connect SCL on the OLED to A5 on the Arduino. Complete. Let's move on to the coding. We'll be using the Adafruit SSD1306 and Adafruit GFX libraries. If you haven't installed them yet, you can do so from the Arduino Library Manager. Open the Arduino IDE, go to Sketch, include Library, Manage Libraries, and search for Adafruit SSD1306 and Adafruit GFX. The code is in description.